And for number 3, I think this one is pretty straightforward by now. So we will go ahead and put the y in place, and then we'll go ahead and switch the x and y, right? And then we go ahead and get y by itself one at a time. So again, you are basically unwrapping a gift, okay? So this is the core, okay, the little presents that it's inside the box. So we just go ahead and remove all the wrappings, basically. So first, let's go ahead and remove the -6, okay? So you have this. And then you go ahead and divide by 1/3. Now, there are 2 ways you can write this. You can write it this way, which I would prefer if I'm going to make a graph. If you say, can you say x minus 6 over 3? That it's also fine, okay? That's perfectly fine. So I'm going to leave it like this, okay? And then I'm going to do, I need to remove the cube. So I'm going to do the cube root of 1/3 x minus 6. Then y minus 1. And then to get rid of 1, I need to add 1 to the other side. So I've got cube root of 1/3 x minus 6, and then plus 1. And just a word of reminder that when you do your cube root, make sure that the root would extend long enough to cover whatever part that's supposed to be underneath the root. Do not overextend or do not make it too short when you do your inverse, okay? So again, as I said in the first video, that there are 6 questions, and the one regarding for inverse, this is one type of the question that you will see. The other type of question is that you will be given the f of x and g of x, and then you are going to f of x and g of x, and you are going to prove using the definition of inverse, which is this, okay? Which is this. And if they equal to x, then it's lovely. But if they don't, if they come together, if you do the composition and it does not equal to x, then you know something it's wrong, okay? They are not the inverse of each other. Okay, so that's it for the quiz review.